Okay, here's the latest workshop update. You can see I got a nice screen here and I got nice tie backs on the doors. And yeah, I've been kind of decorating. It's more like a man cave than a workshop, but it's going to start to turn more into a workshop because today we installed these nice two workbenches. I need still lots more stuff, but these are 6 foot long, and I don't know, they're adjustable heights, so 2 feet deep. So I gotta get some rubber surfacing for this so that I can lay guitars on them. They don't move. And those little things with the holes in them are no good because they actually can leave marks on the finish when you're working on guitars. But anyway, they're kind of nice. Put them up today, and this shelving unit here, so that's 5, and it can hold lots of stuff, you know. So need to get some cabinets underneath here with some drawers because I need to, you know, start organizing tools and stuff, and probably put a sit-down desk type workstation up here, you know, something so that I can do my wiring, and you know, put the individual light, you know, workstation lights at each area. So on this, you know, like I'll have one of these, just like an open area to work on instruments or whatever I'm working on, open flat area. And then here I'll set up 2 or 3 machines, like, you know, maybe a drill press here, scroll saw, you know, whatever, chop saw, whatever I can scrounge together. I need to buy some more tools, but anyway, it's coming along nicely, and just got back from Japan, so been doing lots of work on the place, but very happy with it so far. Just it's going to now finally start to become an actual workshop. Anyway, thank you.